Traditionally, when one is to do an electronics experiment, you generally need a breadboard, processor modules, wires, components, and of course, lab equipment. But of course, this is assuming all of this is available. But what if this is not the case? We decided to change all of this. Introducing the Personal Electronics Experiment Board. When we built this tool, the challenge was to develop an all-in-one solution that would put the student in charge of their learning experience. The solution had to be small enough so that it can be carried in a bag with other school supplies. It has to be easy to use, allow the user to run experiments from basics electronics to embedded programming, and do all of that with the minimal additional components and modules. After many trials, we believe we have completed the essential steps to provide the future engineers, scientists, as well as professionals a hardware platform designed to enhance personal learning experience. Engineering students always love this educational board, and they nicknamed it Portable Electronics Lab. This single board is a true playground for young students and a serious development platform for advanced users. Its flexible power system can use a standard DC adapter and jack to connect to the mains electricity, a standard 9-volt battery, or any other battery to provide the user with a regulated 5 and 3.3 volts. The larger prototyping area allows the user to build complex applications by adding additional components to the board. The board also features on-board components including 4 LEDs, different kind of switches, a light sensor, potentiometer, and different kind of fixed resistors. In addition, we also have an NPN transistor, common integrated circuits, an 8-ohm speaker, and a heavy-duty relay. The user has full control over the above components, and their different combinations can be used to build a large number of applications and tests. Lastly, the board includes the Atmega 320 processor that can be programmed using a USB connector or ISP. The processor has 6 analog and 15 digital pins are easily accessible around the prototyping area, and the processor can be programmed using Arduino IDE, giving the user access to a large worldwide open hardware community. The board also includes an open source multimeter that can be used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. This instrument, coupled with the system dual power supply, makes the board a true simple mini portable electronics lab. With this tool, students, professionals, and the tech community will be able to effectively learn how to build and prototype hardware-based solutions. We want the students to own this tool. We want them to put it together and acquire skills that will be needed in the future as Rwanda and the region get ready for commercial electronics industry. With this tool, the trainings will begin as early as primary school in order for us to build the confidence and the I can do it too spirit among the young generations. To do this, we need your support to make sure that many students can access and own in this very Rwandan solution.